Hi everyone, we are from Newlacecu and today I will show you one of our toupee. This is called NG in our website. You can see the base type. This is a very thin PU. The thickness is 002 to 004 and you can see it is very elastic. And you can choose thicker one if you want to last longer, about 006 to 008. And you can see this one, the biggest advantage is very natural. For every part, you can see every part is natural, and I will show you the front. Front you can see very thin. And I will put it at my finger. You can see very thin, very natural. And we have different color in stock. You can choose as you like if you want to order, and we also have some color with gray hair. So if you